Extended day programs in Waterloo Region schools are designed to provide continuity, inclusion, and stability throughout a child's day. Because these programs are board-operated, not run by outside providers, children benefit from a consistent teaching team, a shared approach, and familiar routines. This reduces the disruptions that come from moving between childcare and school, which can be difficult for any child. For children with disabilities, continuity matters even more. Children remain in familiar spaces with educators who know their strengths, needs, and goals. Families who often struggle to find appropriate childcare are welcome at extended day schools, as these programs are designed to meet the needs of every child. This video shows how school-based extended day programs reduce stress, support development, and help all children, especially those with exceptionalities, to fully participate from start to finish every day.
Families with special needs students are really looking for people to include them in an equitable way, to allow them to engage in the opportunities as all the other children are engaging in. And I believe that bringing the EAs from the core into the extended day just aligns that value really nicely. The passion is there, the care is there, and they just really want those kids to be successful.
One of the strengths of board-operated extended day programs is the way that we're able to support children with special needs participating in the program. So we have 2 DECEs working in every extended day classroom. One works the AM shift, starting their day at 6:45 and working until 2:15, and they deliver the before school program. And the other shift is 10:45. They start their day in kindergarten, and then they finish at 6:15 working in the after school program. And so that classroom has 2 DECE positions. One is funded through the Ministry of Education for the kindergarten portion of the day, and the extended day fee covers the other position.
We have many children with special needs in these programs, thriving in the programs. For example, in Waterloo, we use educational assistants as our second staff. They team up really effectively with our ECE staff who are leading the programs, and it just offers a really safe, appropriate program for our students with special needs.
It's the same educator team supporting the child, so they have that familiar adult in a familiar space. They have access to the same plans of care and strategies, equipment, specialized spaces to support the child.
If a children has a certain plan that is followed during the day or certain EA support, that same support and same plan is followed through in the extended day program. We make accommodations, whether it's to have extra staff or accommodate the routine to make welcoming and transitioning in the program successfully.
I've been teaching kindergarten for 17 years, so I've seen lots of children with varying needs over time. I think our school and our program does a phenomenal job of getting to know those children and being detectives, figuring out what do they need, what learning is important for them. And I think the most beautiful part of that is when you have a really strong and big team at a school level, you're able to collaborate and talk about it. You're able to talk about, here's the areas of need. Here's some of the triggers we're noticing. Can you come and watch? Can you tell me if you have any advice? We also work really closely with lots of different individuals, whether they're speech language pathologists, OTs, and we problem solve. We're constantly problem solving as educators how we can be better.
We have an academic process that starts with an in-school support team and then works its way up to a multidisciplinary team meeting, and resources flow to the school and to the student to support any needs that may have been discussed. And there's really been a coordination of the extended day team in that flow of resource, especially around additional EA time being allocated to high need students, whether that's with behavior or toileting or those types of things. The board has been very responsive to support students who do present with higher needs.
I've been super lucky to be a part of this program since it started 15 years ago. I'm very proud of how far it has come.